Hey, what's up guys? It's me Kevin, another video for you guys, another gaming mouse. A quick overview about this gaming mouse from Furrycube. This is the G11. It has a 22,000 DPI. I'm not sure what this is. BK, 6 adjustable DPIs, and accurate. And here, compatible with Windows and Mac. I got it in a white color. Meron din siyang black and purple, red. I'm not sure kung meron, pero that's what I can see here. So let's open up this box. So here it is, the box. So opening it up. So yeah, you get the mouse, you get the manual here, and you get the, what else? Cable, a braided cable, white braided cable. I assume it's a black yung cable nila. So that's what you get. So nothing fancy. So here is the mouse itself. So yan. A very interesting looking mouse. Of course, see-through siya, na may mga holes siya. So yung RGB niya nasa loob. And here, very lightweight. It's better than expected. Yung material niya, hindi siya cheap. Hindi siya parang yung sobrang cheap ng plastic. This one has a great premium quality dun sa build niya, no? So I'm really impressed by its build quality. At first glance, napakaganda rin ang design niya. Meron siyang contour lines design. So yan, white yung sides niya. Para siyang kamukha ng Death Adder, ng Razer. Yung form factor niya, no? But very lightweight. I really like it. So sa ibaba naman niya, meron siyang DPI button and Bluetooth button. So tri-mode siya. Pwede siyang wired. Dito naman sa pagharap niya, no, angular din siya. So parang Death Adder nga, if I nakagamit na kasi ako nung mga Death Adder na mouse. So nire-remind niya ako ng ganun. So scroll wheel is fine. Nothing fancy. Clickable. I'm assuming this is the DPI button. Tapos yan, DPI yung light. And off and on button, yan. So yan, try natin yung on. So yan, pag maghanap siya ng Bluetooth connection right here. So yan, at nakalagay ata yung yan, tama, nandito yung 2.4 na gigahertz na dongle niya. So yan, pwede nyo i-connect sa laptop or sa computer. So yan, very unique design, no? Not really unique, pero yung lines na to, very nice. So check naman natin yung RGB niya. So right na, tanggalin natin tong protective film bago nyo gamitin. Of course, remove that para mas yung iba kasi nalilimutan tanggalin to. So make sure you remove this. Yan, DPI button. Tapos naka 2.4, yun yung usually ko ginagamit. Rather than Bluetooth. So yan yung RGB niya. Very subtle RGB. I really like it. Yeah. Very nice to hold, to use. Yan, nadidetect ka agad nung Windows natin. Hindi na kailangan ng software or what. Pero I think meron siyang software. I can show you. So yan, download natin yung software. In terms of gliding, maayos siya dito sa pad ko. Very nice to hold. Very nice clicking response. Ito. Yung sound niya. The third button siya dito. So wala rin siyang creaking, no? The build quality is really great. Doon ako talagang nabilib sa clip. Tapos meron siyang ridges here para maramdaman niya kung angat yung thumb niya. So I really appreciate that. Tapos ito yung likod niya, merong curvature. Sa harap naman niya, meron din. So ergonomic design siya, no? So overall, I'm really impressed by its performance, no? Hindi lang performance, pati yung build quality, lalo na. Yung battery naman, I'm sure, kasi I think tumatagal na over 1 week yung battery nito. Lalo na pag naka-off yung yung ano nyo, yung RGB. So a quick conclusion of my first impression regarding this mouse. It's really good. I really appreciate the design, yung lightweight niya, masarap sa kamay. Yung size ng kamay ko is medium to a large. So sa mga maliliit yung kamay, it might be too big for you. So yun lang yung masasabi ko. Tapos sa murang halaga nito, I think 750 lang to, 800 pesos. I think it doesn't matter for gaming purpose ba to, or for productivity, or for in general use. I think you get your money's worth if you want a unique design for your mouse. So yun, I'm really impressed by it. Lilink ko sa baba kung saan ko siya nabili. And this is one of the best purchase that I had for a while. And hopefully magtagal siya, no? Kasi syempre mura siya, no? Malay natin kung magtatagal. But first impression ko pala naman is I think magtatagal siya. So let's try for 3 to 4 months or even 6 months kung buhay pa rin to or hindi siya magko-color dilaw. Kasi puti ito, no? So yeah, thank you guys for watching and I hope na nakatulong ako sa inyo. If you ever make questions kayo regarding this mouse, may software din pala siya, pwede nyo i-download. But very simple lang yun, no? Not really intuitive. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.